First of all, we will write 10 questions and then after we will go on for the further study of the chapter. Okay. No answers. First of all, you will find yourself and you can write. And if you are having problem with any of the question, I will tell you the answer. Because today I will give you all the short questions only, 10 short questions. Yeah, 11. Force and pressure. Shivans, take your note and pen with you along with your book because we are going to write short question and answers. And in today's class, I will give you 10 short answers. Is everybody having their notebooks with them? Okay, then write the first question. What is force? First question. What is force? Okay. Second question. What is pressure? Question number 2 is what is pressure? Question number 3. Write the effects of force. Question number 3. Write the effects of force. Written? Okay. Fourth one. Can force move a stationary object? Give example in support of your answer. Can force move a stationary object? Give example in support of your answer. Fifth one question. Can force stop a moving object? Give example in support of your answer. Can force stop a moving object? Give example in support of your answer. Is it not there? Can force stop moving object? Written na question? Yeah, okay. Next one. Can force change the speed of moving object? Give example in support of your answer. Can force change the speed of moving object? Give example in support of your answer. What do you mean by state of motion? What do you mean by state of Motion. Right. Question. What do you mean by state of motion? Okay. Write the SI unit of force. Write the SI unit of force. What is resultant force? What is resultant force? Write the two types of forces. Write the two types of forces. I think so 10 questions over. Okay. Then we will go back to our chapter because we have to read about contact forces today. Correct now? We read about what is force, applications of force, what a force can do. A force can bring an object from rest to motion or motion to rest. It can also change the direction of motion. Yeah, these all are short answers only, boy. All are short. Not more than two or three. Okay.